Okay, so welcome back. Let's quickly learn what is called a function. Function in JavaScript, but in Java it can be called method. Okay, so function is a code of block designed to perform a particular task. Are you getting it now? So when we have a JavaScript function, it is only executed when something invokes it, like when something calls it to happen. You're going to understand as we move on, inshallah. So if you want to, when you want to write a function, the first thing you need to write is to call the keyword function. So it's to call the keyword function. Where am I typing? So after calling the keyword function, then you're going to give it so because function is a keyword, you can't use it as variable names or function name. So you need to take note of all those keywords. You can't use them as variable names. So after you have called the keyword function, then you're going to give it your, what is it called, you're going to give it function name. So let's say calculate calculate y, something like that. Or let's say my function. Let me use my function. And remember that it follows Kamen casing. So it follows Kamen casing style. So this one will be in capital letter. My function. After you have done that, you have called the keyword function, you have given it function name, my function. Then the next thing is to open a parenthesis. So after you have opened the parenthesis, then your code block, which is your curly braces, your curly bracket. Now you have successfully declared a function. So whatever instruction you want to give to it, the code, everything will be inside this code block now. What do we use? Okay, so inside our parentheses, let's declare parameters. Let's say a, then comma b. Okay, so this is the parameters we are having. Then we can say let y be equal to a asterisk, to mean a times b, a times b. Having done this, then we can come down to include our document dot write. So what do we want it to write? Let's say y. Let's save this and see what is going to happen. So you can see now it's not showing anything. Why? Because we have not passing any argument for these our parameters. We just gave it a and b, so no argument like okay, this should be the value for a and this should be the value for b. So to pass in an argument outside your code block, you're going to write the name of your function again, and then you open your parentheses. And put in whatever value you want for your a and b. Let's say I want 10, or let's say I want 2 for my a, then I want 4 for my b. So this way now, if we go back here, it's going to show us 2 times 4, because we have said let y be a times b, and then we ask it to write y for us. Now we have passed in arguments for a, 2 representing a, then 4 representing b. Okay, can you see that now? So the answer is 8. Let's check another one. Let's say we want something like width or length times breadth. So let's use length. Do I know the spelling of length? Okay, length, then breadth. Okay, now we want our area of what is it called? Is the area of triangle, area of rectangle now is length times breadth, right? So let area be equal to length times breadth. Okay, so now it says you should print out area. Okay, and now okay, let's change the name of our function to, let's say, calculate area. Calculate area. So you need to change this place too. Also change the value to like 5, then leave it this way. So this way now we want to calculate area. Inside this document.write, okay, we can just say our area is is this. So this is what's going to show to us now. The area is, then what's going to give us the value of area, so which is length times breadth. So you can see now the area is 20. You can also add centimeter to it. Let's say centimeter, the area is 20 centimeter. So you just put our centimeter inside. So that is just it. So we are going to be going more advanced inshallah after this. Alright, practice this and let's see the results. See you in the next class.